What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best sewing machines for beginners. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Starting our list of reviews, with the Brother XR 9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine, best beginner sewing machine for making clothes in 2022. Sewing your own clothes at home is a great way to embrace your personal style. To get started, you'll need a machine that can handle different types of fabrics. This Brother machine combines the simplicity of a beginner machine with excellent features like a clear LCD screen, needle up-down, and speed control. It also includes a wider table to support bigger quilting and sewing projects. We found that this machine sewed through a variety of different fabrics with ease, including denim and upholstery fabric. It boasts an intuitive automatic needle threader, too. We recommend always using the spool cap when sewing to prevent the thread from sliding off, though. Up next, the Brother XR 3774 Sewing and Quilting Machine, best beginner sewing machine for quilting in 2022. Sewing machines of today come with built-in computers, and all of the technology involved can sometimes make getting accustomed to a machine an overwhelming task. This isn't the case with the beginner-friendly model from Brother. It offers 37 built-in stitches, 8 sewing feet, including walking and quilting feet, an automatic needle threader, and plenty of helpful accessories, including an instructional DVD to help you get started using the machine. Moving on to the next, the Singer M3500 Sewing Machine, best easy-to-thread sewing machine for beginners in 2022. If the idea of lots of controls and features seems too overwhelming, this super simple mechanical machine from Singer has your number. At an affordable price point, this machine has over 3,500 rave Amazon reviews for being easy to set up and get started. In our tests, we were impressed at how well this machine worked with different fabrics, including wool and cotton jersey. It only struggled with delicate fabrics like silk chiffon. During testing, we did notice the one-step buttonhole function wasn't quite seamless and got stuck a few times, but it ran smoothly after rethreading. Our sewing pros were impressed with this machine's ease of threading and easy automatic needle threader. Many reviewers also note that this is a great gift for tweens and teens who want to learn to sew, too. Next in our list of reviews, the HAITRAL Mini Sewing Machine, best cheap sewing machine for beginners in 2022. If you're looking for the simplest, most streamlined sewing machine on the market, look no further than this fully functioning sewing machine that costs just $30. This mechanical sewing machine weighs less than 2 pounds, making it easy to transport. For beginners, mechanical machines, such as this one, are ideal for them because they are easier to learn on than computerized machines. Ideal for small, simple sewing projects with one stitch, this machine has added ease of use features like a side thread cutter, removable extension table, and a built-in lamp. Just note that this machine has no back stitch. To enforce your stitches, we recommend sewing over the ends again. Finally, the Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine, best overall sewing machine for beginners in 2022. If you're a beginner sewer with ambitions to take on more advanced sewing projects in the future, this Brother sewing machine is your best bet. It includes 10 different presser feet with multiple bobbins to start your sewing journey. In our tests, GH pros found it easy to change the presser feet and easy to thread, thanks to its drop-in bobbin in lieu of a traditional front-loading bobbin setup, which can be trickier to master. Beginners will also appreciate that the speed is adjustable, so you can avoid going too fast while learning. The start-stop button is also handy for making a sudden stop in case of a mistake. With 70 built-in stitches, including the basics every sewer needs, we found it sewed through a variety of fabrics with minimal inaccuracy. However, sewing satin materials proved more difficult. Our product testers note that while the thread holder may look short at first, its height is actually adjustable. Thanks for watching. For more details, follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.